Brian nominated.
I grew up in the South Bay and still live and work there. And if you grew up in the South Bay and you work in the environment, there are a generation of elders who have taken responsibility for restoring and conserving our river valleys, our watersheds, our wetlands, and our beaches. And nothing exemplifies that spirit more than John Willett, a World War II veteran, my hero, who really exemplifies the spirit of the greatest generation of selfless sacrifice and dedication to his community, who has taken an area that, when I was a kid, was a scary place, the Otay River Valley, filled with a lot of scary folks, a lot of garbage, a lot of places that you didn't want to be if you were a kid, and has turned it into the crown jewel of the South Bay, personally supervising lots and lots of people to remove hundreds of tons of trash and putting everybody to work to make the Otay River Valley a regional park, a place, dedicating trails, a place where I can take my kids biking and hiking. And it's an ongoing process. John's the team captain. He's in charge. He's our manager. He's our coach. And it's such a great pleasure to work with people and help people succeed who care so much about their communities and making San Diego such a better place for kids and families. So thanks, John.
Thank you very much. The idea for the valley to become a regional park occurred in 1999 when then Mayor Greg Cox, now Supervisor Cox, Brian Bilgrave, and Duncan Hunter came up with the idea based on a recommendation from the Nestor Mesa community. We have an educational program going on which Wild Coast is involved in it, Finney Overlook School, and visiting of the park on Saturdays and Sundays. I'm very happy to be a part of that, and I hope to continue on it. And I'd like to thank personally all of those people that have been involved in the City of Chula Vista, City of San Diego, and the County of San Diego. Each has had 10 representatives on the City Advisory Board. So thank you very much.
And of course, John is donating his $5,000 to the Wild Coast. All right, congrats on that, a major